Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to fix Chatgpt error code 1020. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your internet browser. In here, click on the three dots on the upper right, and then go to Settings. Over at Settings, you're going to hover your mouse on the left side. In here, tap on Privacy and Security. In here, scroll down once again, and then click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Now scroll down. In here, you're going to click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Just click on the arrow. Once you're here, use the search bar this time. And then look for OpenAI. Then clear everything on openai.com. Just click on Clear. Once done, you're now going to head on over to the jigsaw puzzle that says Extensions. In here, turn on and off everything that is involved over at Extensions. Once you are done, head on over to the search bar of your Windows application. In here, run command prompt, or you can type in Windows CMD. Now over at command prompt, you are now going to input this following commands. ipconfig /flush DNS. Now make sure it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you will input a new command. Follow this one over here on my screen. nets h winsock DNS. Or reset. Re-input the commands this time, then hit enter. Make sure when you input these commands, you are running command prompt as administrator. Now you will need to restart the computer to complete the action. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well.